Hello, good evening. My name's Mark Rowley, and today, well, actually, before I start, my videos for the last few years have been quite formal and to the point. I've never really gone into anything about myself or anything, but yesterday I received some life changing news. I shouldn't really speculate too early because it's quite new, and I'm not going to publish this video straight away because of that. But apparently, I'm going to be a father, and yeah, the news hasn't quite settled in yet, but I am absolutely made up. Um, anyway, I have my coffee, and we're good to go. And back to business. What are we doing today? Well, I've had loads of people saying, "Oh, how do you do the flags? How do you get the flags? How do you manage that?" Oh, well, I'm going to show you. So, obviously, for data protection, I can't show you the names of the companies, but we have, for example, a company here in Germany. So I'll click on that, and you can see up here the flag changes from the one in the UK and then one in Japan. You'll see the flag changes and so on. And the question that came in was, "Oh, how did you manage that then?" Oh, well, here's how we did it. So I'm just going to close these back up just to tidy it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click just on this English one. I'm going to click options at the top. Now there's two steps to this, and it's important that you do the first step first. It might be that you don't want to do flags up here, you want to put something else there. It's entirely up to you. We chose flags so that the user can see which company they are actually working in. But what's most important before you do that customization, if you like, is this. If you click on options and go to styling and go to style filter manager, click on there. Now at the top you will see the normal company. What's important is that you create a company for every different different flag that you want. In our case, we did flags, so we've got one here for America, Germany, Japan, China, and if you don't do this process, then what happens is that all the companies will change how you. So if you were to put a picture of Mickey Mouse up there, all of the companies will have a picture of Mickey Mouse up there. So this is how you individually split that up. How do you create a new one? Simply left click up at the top on the main one, right click, create a child style, and then you fill in the filter type, you fill in the filter type select, the filter value I believe automatically defaults, and you fill in the style set name, and based on is important. So it's basically the first two grey boxes. So it's that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, and then the rest doesn't matter. Okay. You will click save, and then basically we'll move to the second part. I'm not going to change these. I'm just going to walk you through because we've already got this applied. You'll click save and you'll create basically a theme, and then we move to the second part. So then if you click close, the second part is click on options, go to styling, and then go to runtime styler. Your pop-up box appears up here, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on this section here. Now you won't have a flag at this point, you'll just have a blank space. I'm going to left click, and then it's saying click, you can see over here on the pop-up box that's appeared, just click number 1, and this pop-up box appears down here. Now obviously make sure that you're on the right tab, so it's common, states and normal. You hit this box here, which is basically go and find a picture file. Now I think you can pretty much use JPEGs and your normal picture image files. I don't think it's too picky. You can see there we've got our selection of flags. In a minute, you can see there you've got our selection of flags. You pick the designated one for the company that you're currently in over here. If you haven't got a picture there, then obviously you need to save it in that location. Click cancel, and then you work through the rest of the companies, giving them their individual flags, doing what I've just shown you, and then close this box once that's done, and then go back to this, click save as, save it as an actual theme, and then the last and part of the process, I'm going to have to close that up. I don't want that popping up all the time. Right, the last part of the process is click on options, go to styling, then go to theme maintenance. If your theme isn't already in there, which I doubt it will be because you've only just created it, you need to hit the binoculars. No you don't, sorry, ignore that. Import theme, it will go and find it, like in here. You import it, you'll get a pop-up message saying it was imported successfully, and then what you need to do is make sure that distributable is ticked so that all employees see that change, and then finally make theme default just under actions, click save, and jobs are good. And that's basically how we went about doing the different flags like so. Okay, thank you very much for watching, I appreciate it.